Good morning. How's my view? Finally had a snug night's sleep. I was even able to peep my head out of my sleeping bags. But it's rainy again this morning. That's twice my weather app has let me down. But there's nobody here. I'm going to go and explore this communist artwork all by myself. I came 50 kilometres out of my way, which actually pretty meaningless because this whole trip is out of my way, but I came 50 extra kilometres for this and I'm not disappointed. The scale of it is bonkers. There's my bike as a scale reference. Brilliant. The Balkans' biggest outdoor mosaic occupies a tiny section. These eyes are so creepy. It really feels like they're looking at me. I absolutely love it. It's so massive and grey and concrete and ugly and Soviet. Absolutely splendid. There's a Turkish fast food stand right outside the supermarket. It's been doing a roaring trade until now. It's emptied out, but I got a piloshka menu for $2.39, which appears to be chicken. And I feel like I'm getting close to Turkey, except I'm about to turn around and go in the opposite direction. Bulgaria's biggest mosque. It's 3 o'clock. I've just left Shumen. Feeling pretty lazy today after a big day yesterday, but I got a tailwind, so I should probably do something with that. Right now I'm heading towards these cliffs. But after that, I'm not sure how much further I'll go. I was told to look for the outline of a horse, and at first I thought it was absolutely rubbish, and then like a magic eye poster I saw it. Can you see it? Says people were living in this cave 200,000 years ago, and now I'm filming it on my phone to put on YouTube. Mind blowing. Okay, I'm pretty knackered, so I reckon this is it. I've just come 100 metres down this dirt track here from the road. There's nothing growing on this side. This side's being cultivated, but I reckon this side's good. Sunset views. Red sky at night, cyclist delight. I've had my dinner, I'm halfway down my wine. I'm ready for an early one. Good day.